Hi, we're going to go ahead and make a first video on installing WordPress. And we can do that really quickly from your cPanel. If you don't have cPanel, this isn't going to do you a lot of good. You'll have to pick up, we'll do that on a different video. But this video is for installing WordPress through your cPanel. Now this is the back end of your cPanel here. And when you first log into your hosting account, you'll see all these icons here. What we're going to do is go down to the bottom and click on the one that says Fantastico. Now Fantastico is a automatic installer of scripts, and there's literally on the left hand side you see a bunch of different ones. We're going to just go ahead and click on WordPress. And it says here, short description, WordPress is a personal publishing tool, blah, blah, blah. This is going to go right to new installation, which is right here. Now, the site domain we're going to be installing on is main website designer. You should see your domain in there. Now, install in directory. This can either be the root, which would be when you type in mainwebsitedesigner.com, your WordPress directory would come up. We would leave this empty. If you wanted to put this in a folder, here you would name the folder blog or whatever you want to name it there. I'm going to install this on the root. Now for the admin, where it says admin access data, we're going to put in just admin and a password. Admin nickname, you can put something in there or just leave it blank. Now your admin email, you'll want to, where all your anything for your admin will go to this address. I'm going to use a different one than the default one. And the site name is going to be main website designer. Description. Main web design company. And this is for the email, your username and password. Just leave it at that. And then you have your POP server. You can leave this. This email account configuration is really not that important. And that's about it. To install it, you just click on Install WordPress. It automatically sets up the MySQL database, which is telling you it's done here. There's the user, and it's already designed a database for this. And it's telling us that I'm choosing to install it on the main directory. And this will be the access URL here. And to complete it, all we got to do is click on Finish Installation. Okay, it's telling that the WP config was configured, and it was all the data SQL was configured so that the database has been set up. And that's about it. Now it's telling us to remember the username and password and the admin area, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and open that in a new tab. Here's our WordPress login screen. We're not going to save it because we're going to change the password. But you would probably want to save that. And that's it. WordPress is installed. That's how simple it is to install WordPress from the from cPanel. And we can view the site. And at this point, you've just got a plain old WordPress with nothing happening on it yet, but the basic install is done. You can see the main website designer that we put in, and the main website design company was also put there. You also notice up here above the blue, main website designer, So it's kind of important what you name your blog, because that's what's going to be up here too. You do have some control over that, but for basic purposes, make sure that you name your blog what you want to see up here in the bar too, usually keywords that you're targeting. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to installing WordPress from cPanel.